Hello everyone, it's 3rd October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have feeling US tariff pain, exporters ask for relief, center in wait and watch mode. Again very important for international relations as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have after 5 years, India-China direct flights to resume this month. Indigo to start with Guangzhou, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have people suffering over 60% disability can now avail monthly aid of rupees 6,000, very important for health as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have government removes income cap for Kashmiri Hindu migrants to avail monthly allowance, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have this whole page dedicated to international relations, again a very important news, 25 years of strategic partnership Russia and India. We also have BrahMos here. Moving forward we have lessons from Ladakh, why government must talk and talk some more, again very important for internal security as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have Ladakh outfits rejects magisterial probe into violence that killed 4, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward we have the editorial page. Editorial page is always important for the examination perspective. The first editorial says a red line runs through it. The salience of agriculture make it difficult to imagine global trade pressures trumping livelihoods, again very important for agriculture as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward we have our common ground, what a Colombo cemetery taught me about pluralism and tranquility, again very important for international relations as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have in Ladakh a crisis of representation, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward we have names of Gaza, a Kerala movement to mourn children killed in Israeli strikes, again very important for internal security as well as international relations perspective. Then we have Russian oil imports dip slightly in this September but no big US tariff impact yet, very important for economic perspective. Then moving forward we have Israeli forces seize flotilla carrying Gaza aid sparks protest worldwide, very important for society as well as international relations perspective. Then we have White House freezes funds for Democrat states, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Philippines and quake rescue efforts, priority on helping 20,000 displaced, very important for disaster management as well as international relations perspective. Then we have US to give Ukraine intel on Russian energy sites for long range attacks, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have GST 2.0 festive push lagging what a September car sales data show, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have how first election since Assad Oster will plan out in Syria, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have a curious case study of GDP data, very important for economic perspective. Then we have in US attempting to tighten H-1B visa norms, have long bipartisan history, again very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.